All right, hey guys, this is Mike from Fence Armor. He's the sales guy. He's going all over the country telling people about Fence Armor. We carry Fence Armor, and we've talked about it, but I'm going to let Mike tell you about it again. And if you're not doing Fence Armor, if you're not offering it on your jobs, you're losing money. So Mike, tell us about it.
Thank you very much, Caleb. Thanks for your kind words. I'd be happy to tell you about Fence Armor. So we're having a great time here at the show and talking about the product that we do have available. Now I'm going to hold my sample up here. And everybody's seen the damage caused by power trimmers. Well, we have a solution to that. Basically, we sell these in pairs, and that's going to protect your fence post at the trimmer level and save you a lot of money on your investment that you put a lot of hard work into and a lot of money in to get a nice fence up. So we offer you that protection. So Caleb, thank you very much for allowing me to.
Let's talk some more about it, man.
Absolutely.
Don't cut yourself short just yet.
Let's keep going.
So, if you're staining fences, what are you making, guys? A couple $100 on each job? I don't know what your numbers are. But let's say you make $500 on a staining job and it's got 25 posts. You can go through and you can add another couple $100 by putting these on, and they're this fast. You pull them out of the box, you put it on the post, you run a screw in it. You can do it that fast. We did 400 feet the other day in about 15 minutes with 2 guys and 2 drills. It's so fast. And our stain, if your guys are staining, it doesn't matter what stain you're using, you're going to find a color that matches Fence Armor. They've got a bunch of different colors. So if you're not doing this, if you're in lawn care, pressure washing, whatever, the opportunity is there for mailbox post, fence post, whatever. I think you should definitely look at adding this on because it's only a few bucks and you can make a few bucks for yourself and you can do it really quick. Fence builders, there's a lot of fence builders in this group. If you're not adding this onto your fences, man, you're losing money. I mean, it's so easy.
You're absolutely right, Caleb. And as well, when you are retrofitting a job where the damage is already there, you're going to want to stain and seal that and then add the Fence Armor on top for superior protection as well.
Well, that's the thing that I hate seeing is if we stain a fence for somebody, it's beautiful, and then we come back 6 months later because they added a deck on, and I look at the fence and all the bottoms of the posts are eat up just like this. And if I would have just sold this to them, I would have looked it better because I would have had a solution for the problem, and I'd have made a couple bucks, and they would have been happy too.
Absolutely, yeah.
So go to fencearmor.com. There's what's the Fence Armor app?
Yes, we have a Fence Armor app now that is available on your iPhone. Check that out. You can download that, and it's great for contractors as well because it's going to get all that information. You can put it right in front of your customer as well. It's going to make it easier for them.
Yeah, the Fence Armor app, I use it. It's so easy I can use it. And so you put it on your phone, you put in the address of where you're going, and it does a Google map. And you can just draw on the map your fence, and it'll tell you how much Fence Armor you need. They've got, you still got augmented reality on there, don't you?
Yeah, it's a great estimating tool.
So you can hold your phone up, the camera, and you can show the customer. You can say, look, see the post? And the augmented reality will show the Fence Armor right on the fence. So it's pretty cool. I don't make any money from these guys. I just love the product so much. We push it, and we make money by installing it. So if you want to get some Fence Armor, go to fencearmor.com or get the app. Where else?
Absolutely. Yeah, if you want to impress. Again, we're on a lot of sites online. You can go to Home Depot, Amazon as well. So we're out there. You'll be able to find us. And if you do have any questions, you can always reach out to us directly. I love getting the phone calls and be able to talk about the product that we love to offer.
Yeah, they got galvanized, round post, you name it, they got it. And what you got fence post caps coming out soon, right?
That's right.
Yeah, fence post caps coming out soon. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thank you.